In this video, I'll show you how to use the customer invite feature. When you click on customers, if you'd like to invite a new customer that's not in your Vacation Creations account right now, you'll type in their name, email address, and then click invite. Once you do that, it tells you that they've been invited. Then you can go, they'll check their email, and there is the registration invitation. And remember, your agency will set up whatever they want this email to read, and then the client will go to the invite form. It's going to look very similar to you. Their name is going to be there, their email is already going to be there, and then they have the opportunity to put in their information. So they're filling it out. Let's put in a little bit of information here. And do that. And then let's see, it tells them to enter their family members next. So they'll do that. Let's say she's got daughter Linda. They can put their birth date in. It's their child, daughter. We can add all of this information just like we do in the system. And I'll have her put in husband, spouse. Hopefully they're going to fill in all the pertinent information that's necessary. So they've got the family members, they hit next, they can review the information here, and then they hit save. So now, when you go back into your account in Vacation Creations, and you go in and you refresh for your customer list, now you will see that Lizzie's in here. All the information that she put in with her address, her family members, they're all right there. Now let's say we wanted her to do a little bit more and add more information. Or maybe she's come back after a couple years to take another trip and you'd like to have her, see that everything needs to be, updated or add additional information. Then again, you click on the invite, send a new invitation to update her profile information. Now it's sent it to her again. We can go back to her email. There's another email coming through. There we go. She can go back to that invite form, and the information she had was already there, but maybe she wants to put in her anniversary date. And let's see, she's had another child in the meantime. So we'll put that in. Okay, and she'll hit next. Again, she can check over information. If she needs to go back, she can do that, or hit save, and it's now saved it to your system. Don't forget, you'll always need to refresh. There's Lizzie's information, and now when you go back in, you're going to see the information that she just added.